Hi, good evening. Now we are continuing in linear regression sub methods. I mean sub transactions are like models. And that first one is the simple linear regression. Simple linear regression is useful for finding relationship between two continuous variables. One is predictor or independent variables, and other is the responsible or dependent variable. So, okay, in this process we have taken one real-time example, that is one Excel sheet I saved as a salary underscore data in CSV format. So here years and salary are the two columns are available. Okay, so before that we must deprocess data pre-processing is needed. Okay, so I did it pre-processing. So according to that, in my program I did it importing libraries. Okay, importing libraries. So the first one, import NumPy. NumPy is the mathematical and logical multi-dimensional array purpose we are using here. According to this, we are can be slicing can be possible, and we can select only 50k rows to 50k rows or less. Okay, and less memory it will takes. And the second one is the import pandas. Pandas is the most familiar of the in time series level, and it is the created by Wes McCarthy is in 2015, and it performs at a time 500k rows or more, and it can be taken as heterogeneous of data, and also it is possible to give own labeled data of index. Here we can do merge, join or concatenation. This type of processes can be possible according to the pandas. Okay, and third package is the matplotlib. Matplotlib is the purpose of data visualization. According to that, we can give the graph of specifications. Okay, here I am importing a data set, that is panda.readsv, salary.dsv, the salary underscore data.csv is representing the what are the year of experiences and salary is going to data set. X is the data set dot allocation. First one is the map indicator or binding operator or is to, that means it gives the total columns, and minus one is the last column of the specification, and y is equal to data set dot allocation is to minus one, that dot values. And here I am fitting the simple linear regression to the following training set. Here x training set, x test, and y training set and y test equal to train test splitting. Here I am splitting the data, that is the size equal to 1/3, random state equal to 0. Okay, here predicting the test of set values is depends upon the salary and variable. Okay, here is the dependent is the salary and an independent variable is the experience. So now we are giving that our model is ready to predict output for the new observations. In this step we will provide the test data set. For that we are giving that a create prediction of a vector y prediction and x prediction, which will contain the prediction of a test data set and a prediction of a training set respectively. Training the simple linear regression of model equal to, here I was taken for sklearn.linear underscore model. It is the purpose of taken of graphs or the graph visualization purpose. It is very flexible. Okay, so regressor equal to linear regression of method and a regression dot fit x train of y train of. According to that, we are going to visualize the training set, that is the pyplot. Already here we are imported of matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. So according to that, we can give that x axis and y axis. X axis is the purpose of train and a set of salaries on x coordination, and y is the experience of a training data set. Okay, so here they visualizing the test data set equal to, in the previous step we visualized the performance of the model training, and here we are also changing the color of observations and regression line to the differences between the two plots. Here see, it is very nearest to the line, that means the closest one, but it is not one and therefore depending of the specifications. So visualizing is the training set of result. PLT dot scatter. Scatter is the purpose of these dots of specification in the graph. Okay, so here I am giving that title equal to salary versus experience, and X label equal to years of experience, and Y label equal to salary. So it can be displayed. Once I am executing this program, here see, this is the program, and once I am executing this, pressing F5, so okay, this is the, here see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, these are the years of experience, and this is the according to the years of experience the salary is going on to like that. In this prediction, so after, if it is the 12 years, automatically how much it is increasing, we can get the prediction. So this type of scenarios we can do that in simple regression methods. Okay.